Hello? Is anybody home? Hello, this is Mr. Hoover. I want you to buy my vacuum. Nobody's home. Nobody's home. Nobody wants to buy the Hoover Elite 2 Total System Performance 430. The next person will buy it or they'll die. They'll buy or die. I tell you, buy or die. Die! Die! Calm down, Sam. Calm. I'm calm. Ah! Hello? Jack Hoover, want to send you a vacuum cleaner. Hello?
Oh God, who could that be?
Hey, I'm Jack Hoover. I want to show you my vacuum. It's a Hoover Elite 2 Total System Performance 430.
Go away!
Die! Die! Oh, you die, I tell you! I'm my vacuum cleaner, I tell you, she'll die. I tell you, if she doesn't buy my vacuum cleaner. Daddy's home. Sleeping Jack Hoover. Sleeping Jack Hoover.
Hey, oh gosh, it's sick.
Valley girl. I'm my vacuum cleaner. You to buy a vacuum. I just wanted you to buy a vacuum cleaner. I'm from a small town. I'm Jack Hoover. Buy a vacuum cleaner.
Psychotic salesman.
Just buy a vacuum.
Got him.
Buy my vacuum cleaner. It's a good deal. I can give you two. Just buy my vacuum. Please, buy my vacuum. Vacuum. Buy my vacuum. Just buy my vacuum. 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 It's a good deal.
Pops, I'm a psychotic salesman in my house and he's trying to kill me. Can you come get us? Bye.